Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters and mga ka-G! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries at kung saan man kayong lupalop ng ating daigdig ay hayaan niyo muna kami ni G, the Green Girly Kitty Patuti Iguana na batiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening at good night na po sa mga ready ng matulog at welcome po sa ating another episode, continuation po ng ating topic about reflexology or foot reflexology. Ayan po, so ika-apat na natin ito na araw na tayo ay nagdi-discuss about foot reflexology. And ngayon po ay meron tayong tanong dito sa ating topic. Pero before tayo mag-start, mag-continue ng ating lecture, may I ask for your thumbs up? Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe dito po sa ating live chat. And of course, sa mga hindi pa connected, mag-connect muna kayo dyan habang tayo ay nagla-lecture. Or pwede rin sa mga nagre-replay. Maraming salamat din po. Alright, so ayun. Salamat ulit sa inyong pag-like, share, and subscribe. I hope na naka-all bell notification po kayo para always updated po kayo sa lahat ng mga contents ni Master Worm at mga activities po natin sa aking channel na Master Worm. Right. So the question is, does reflexology work? Does reflexology work? Yun ang question. Reflexology may be beneficial as the treatment that occurs alongside other treatments for a condition. So maging effective din po siya. Plus yung mga other treatments na ginagawa sa mga current na mga problems or health problems, often referred to as the complementary treatment. So pwede siyang matawag na complementary treatment, which means that additional po siya. Nagko-complement po siya sa ibang treatments. So hindi lang po siya yung main treatment. So pwede po siyang gawing parang side treatment na nakakatulong at beneficial din po siya. However, be sure to consult your doctor before starting any new treatment. Of course. Okay, so it is important to note that although reflexology has been practiced in many countries for thousands of years, there is a little scientific evidence available to prove its effectiveness. Of course, that's of course the side of the Western medicine. Okay, so they always want to make sure that Oriental or Eastern medicine is not going to be supported that much, because of course the main kind of treatment, the main kind of medicine right now that almost the world is acknowledging is the Western medicine. But to think about it, Oriental or Eastern medicine has been established for centuries. Okay, that's the fact. That's the truth. Okay, so according to Claire Barnwell, she's a member of the Association of Reflexologists and the owner of Phytology Reflex Practice. There have been some positive research projects carried out with reflexology. However, as yet, there is not a large enough. It is not large enough body of evidence for us to make clinical claims of effectiveness. That's a fact, because wherever you go, they always look for scientific basis, but as based upon its effectivity po, iba po ang approach ng Oriental medicine at ang Western medicine. They have a very, very far approach from each other. Okay, so Barnwell notes, however, that there can be no doubt that what it does provide is a period of time for relaxation where the client has one-to-one attention and supportive touch in an empathetic listening environment. Yan po ang isa sa mga tested and proven po is the time and the focus that the patient is receiving. And it's a one-on-one treatment between the patient or the subject and the therapist or the reflexologist. And it really helps because relaxation by that period of time or that particular time uh, is gonna benefit the patient, especially with the healing process. Okay, and there's a 2015 study noted that strong evidence to support foot reflexology is lacking. Naku, ito naman po sila. Despite many small-scale trials and anecdotal evidence. Leave na lang natin yan. Uh, Siyempre, that's Western medicine pa rin. If nothing else, foot reflexology may be soothing, relaxing way to wind down and give some massage-like attention to your feet. More research is needed to confirm whether it offers scientific health benefits. Of course, yeah. Let's just leave that the argument. I don't want to me like me working on a exclusive Oriental acupuncture clinic. We have in Oriental medicine. There's a very 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 deep explanation on how it works, but this article has to be controlled because it is written and uh, it's brought out to the public, so they have to make sure that Western medicine will always have control over everything. Reflexology side effects and contraindications. All right. So for now, I'll just read this, and of course, we'll see if there are. I will be able to give some of my comments. Barnwell notes that after a reflexology session, most people experience a sense of well-being and relaxation. So nakaka-experience sila ng mas magandang, feeling. However, side effects can occur. Pwede ka magkaroon ng side effects, and these side effects include lethargy. So ano ibig sabihin ng lethargy or lethargy? So it's a feeling of fatigue, parang pagod na pagod ka, tiredness and exhaustion, both physical and mental. Okay? So ayun po, sabi nila pagkatapos ng isa sa mga side effects is ganun, pagkatapos mo ng reflexology. Pero wala pa na ako. Next is nausea. Nausea. So nausea is a feeling of sickness with an inclination to vomit. Parang susuka ka. That's nausea. Yan yung ikalawan niyang ikalawan niyang side effects. And next is crying or feeling tearful. parang feeling mo ay iiyak ka or umiiyak ka talaga. Yan. So sometimes po mga masters and mga ka-G sa clinic, lalo na po yung mga pasyente namin ay mga toxic yung problems po nila. Pero po silang aside from toxic na mga toxins, chemical toxins, meron po silang mga emotional na mga stress or depressions. So kung minsan po ako pumapasok sa kwarto at ako yung kinakausap ko yung mga pasyente, I personally talk to the patients and sometimes I encourage them to cry. That's one of my responsibilities too, to help, process and to help the patient reach the level of cleansing. So not just the treatment itself, because I work in an acupuncture clinic. So part of the treatment is to let the patients express their own emotions. So I have a lot of patients that cried in front of me, and of course that's very toxic on my part too, because I absorb their bad energy. But my one thing that I always every time I'm done with my work, I just go to YouTube and sing. It's the only thing I express my feelings, and I cleanse out my emotions. Because imagine if we see like 6 patients a day, or sometimes 7 patients a day with almost a lot, if they have a lot of emotional problems, I get drained as well. Like my dad and I, we always get drained from the bad energy that the patients are bringing to us or bringing inside the clinic, because they come with problems and they leave like clear minded, because it's our responsibility to help them reach the healing process. So that's why I'm so happy that I'm here in YouTube, so I can also express my feelings, my emotions, my bad energy. I convert it into happiness, right? So I hope, and like that's the one way that I always I found a better solution instead of getting depressed or getting feel bad or tired. Yeah, I'd rather go out, join or go to your live streams and join you guys, and that's one of my All right, next is lightheadedness. Parang nahihilo ka, lightheadedness, and strong emotions. Yun po yung mga side effects po. This is usually transitory. So, hindi po siya, no, parang nag-transition lang po siya. And reflexologists believe that this is the part of the healing process, states Barnuela. Sabi ko, healing process po yan. These patients or these people will undergo this, but in Western medicine, they consider that as a side effect. And after that, they will try, in Western medicine, they will try to give you something else, like antidepressant or, like for the headaches. But in Oriental medicine, that's part of the treatment. You will experience that because there's something that happened inside your system that caused you to have those effects. Okay, reflexology is it's not for everyone, though. Okay, for people with certain health conditions, it may cause more harm than good. Sabi po nila dito, contraindications of reflexologies will be discussed tomorrow. Yung mga contraindications din po siya. Pero syempre, yung tinitingnan po nila dito is more on the legal side. Pero when you are in an actual or authentic treatment, katulad sa amin na Oriental talaga, you will be amazed because we treat different kinds of health problems and we're not limited to only a few. Alright mga masters and mga ka-G, maraming salamat po sa inyong love and support. At kita-kits ulit tayo bukas sa ating another episode, the same time, the same channel, every 6 o'clock in the morning sa ating G and Daddy Health and Lifestyle Tips. Maraming salamat. Ito po yung G natin ngayon ay nagre-relax lang po. Kagagaling niya lang sa labas at siya po ay almost 6 hours na nagbilad sa init. Again, this is your one and only Master Worm. And God is great. Yahoo!